If you're experiencing a billing hold on your Spotify account, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to quickly resolve the issue and regain access to your music. Step 1. Check payment method. Ensure that your payment method is valid and has sufficient funds. Log into your Spotify account and navigate to the payment settings to verify your card details. Step 2. Update payment information. If your payment method is outdated or incorrect, update it with the correct information. Enter your new card details and save the changes to ensure Spotify can process your payments. Step 3. Clear account holds. If there are any holds on your account, check your email for notifications from Spotify. Follow the instructions provided to resolve any outstanding issues, such as verifying your identity or confirming payment. Step 4. Contact Spotify support. If the billing hold persists after updating your payment information, reach out to Spotify support. Use the help section on their website to submit a request or chat with a representative for assistance. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After addressing the issue, wait for a confirmation email from Spotify indicating that the billing hold has been lifted. Once confirmed, you should regain full access to your account. By following these steps, you can quickly resolve billing holds on your Spotify account and continue enjoying your favorite music.